everyone, welcome to a new video. It's Showdown time. Whew, that was difficult to say. So basically we just need to use a bunch of heroes and see how it goes. So the first one I've seen, they attack from the back, which is annoying. Because you need to be fast enough or you'll get massively hurt. Where's my Nick? There he is. But yeah, I think I want to distanciate my drones as much as I can. And then we'll see how everything goes. Wait, they're not attacking from the back anymore. Did they fix it? That's nice. So you saw it here. They fixed it. I've actually been looking at the base, and I think it would be too difficult to kill the base, to be honest. There's too many mixes of ground and air. Maybe Luke, but I'm not. I need to find out the range. If I tag this one, what is the range? But I think let's actually not kill the base for this one and keep going. So for base 2, I'm gonna do similar way, but I want to attack the base. I don't want to. So what I want to do is make sure my tune is somewhat decently put. Let's put him here. him in front of that. That splash. Make sure he a bit, yeah. Okay, and then I want to use Mr. Braden. Maybe I'll put Tony in here as well. So then with Braden, I'm just gonna attack the base. Yeah, he will get damaged, but it doesn't matter. No, why is he attacking my Braden? Okay, that was not so good. I've got electric up on. Okay, well that failed. I got electric up on, and that will basically be it. You know, try and destroy the base as soon as possible, and go to the next one. So in the third one, let's see what happens. Let's position our unit. Oh yeah, I forgot my thunder. Amazing. Let's see what happens. I actually tried to do this one already, using air to kill the base, but it took so long that it's not really worth it. So we know Mikey is a beast against infantry, so he should be able to kill infantry fast. And then Nick, what? He already got hit. Nice. And that's how I'll try and do it. So let's see how it goes. Alright, Showdown 4. So again, I think this time I actually want to try kill the base. Although my air is not so good at the moment. A lot of repairs. I've tried the third one, but it did not go so well. Where's my Malcolm? There we go. Okay, so what have we learned? Mikey is super good against infantry. Malcolm is pretty decent in general. Okay. Okay. Let's focus on the air now. Although, like you can see, my Dina is very weak at the moment. My Martin also have seen better shape in his life, and yeah, we'll see how that goes so far. Okay, I have no idea what happened, but my Dina just went down. Damn, too bad. No, that definitely gonna make it more difficult, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, so this one, you need to be more careful with Dina, because with Dina and Martin you can pretty much do it all with minimal repair. My ground, as you can see, it already had repair, but nothing else. Like, I don't think it had extra repair whatsoever, so that's really good. If you do lose Dina, then yeah, as you could see, I suggest using a single use Dennis if you have that, because he did pretty great, and that's it, you know. I haven't perfected it yet, but I think it's not too difficult. I think people can do it for sure. So hope this was useful. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.